To change out the shaft on a Mega-VAC drive, remove the hood, remove the bolts for the end bearing, 3/8 bolts. They use a 9/16 wrench socket. And once you have those loose, you're going to want to remove these two front bolts out of the drive. Take a 3/4 socket. You're going to want to loosen the back two bolts just a little bit. But you don't want to remove those all the way. That's going to be the pivot point. On the back side, you remove this little black cap. And behind there is another 1/2 inch bolt. Using a 3/4 socket, remove that bolt. Take that all the way out with the washers included. That frees the shaft from the drive. And then you're going to want to tilt the drive backward, but be cautious of this back end to support it so that it doesn't fall down. Now the drum will slide out of the end of the drive. Insert one of your bolts back into the drive to hold it in the meantime. Keep it from falling. Once you have that apart, you can start disassembling the drum assembly. First thing you want to do is take a 3/16 Allen wrench, loosen the set collars. One on either end. Using a 9/16 wrench, you loosen the nuts in here that retain the drum to the hub. There are 4 of these bolts for each side. The drum slide right off the end of the shaft. These plates also come off the shaft if need be. There's a key that keeps the plates locked in and separated. So reassembly is the same in reverse. Plate goes on, and the drum fits on. Careful to get it lined up. Your bolts. At this point, you don't want to put these in until you get it back assembled, because you'll want to use these to tighten it back up. So at this point, I would just assemble the set collars on the ends to keep the drums locked in, so they don't fall off when you're loading it back up.
Just go around the drum.
If you don't have as much cable on your drive, you can pick this unit up by hand. There's a whole lot of cable spooled on this one, so it's pretty heavy. We're using the crane. It's a two-man operation.
Tight, right?
Down just a little bit.